Ever experienced that scratchy feeling in your throat? We're sure that everyone here has probably experienced sore throat. Sore throat, also called pharyngitis, is an infection of your throat that usually goes away on its own. It is a problem that is common among children due to cough, exposure to irritants, and many more. Now, this infection is not only limited to children, but it also happens to adults. However, how do you resolve it? That is the reason why we created this video. We know how hassling it can be to experience a sore throat as an adult, especially when your profession involves a lot of talking. Commonly, it can be caused by exposure to allergens, secondhand smoke, dust, a viral cold, etc. Worsened cases of sore throat, which comes with some tonsillitis, will require some expensive surgical solutions that may sometimes cause permanent throat damages. Today, that's expensive. So before your symptoms worsen, you'll need a temporary to permanent relief to fix that up in less than a day. Stay tuned to this video as we'll show you these 8 effective ways in doing so. Starting with number 8. Take an over-the-counter anti-allergy medicine. Sometimes, the cause of a sore throat is due to eating or getting exposed to food or settings that trigger your allergies. Now, your best solution to this is drinking once you have it. However, it's best if you prevent this from happening by avoiding foods that can trigger sore throat. Number 7. Drink extra cold liquids. Before you assume that you can drink alcoholic beverages during a sore throat, no, chill my man. That actually worsens it since alcohol contains acidic content which may be the cause of your burning throat and may even worsen it. By drinking extra cold liquids, we're simply talking about cold water and freshly squeezed fruit juices with no add-on sugar and loads of ice. However, do note that you're only allowed a few sips, enough to numb the pain and relieve it. This is applicable if you're finding it difficult to swallow even your saliva. Number 6. Add honey to your warm tea. Did you know that honey has a lot of benefits to your body, including curing sore throat? It has antimicrobial properties. Well, a spoonful of it added to your warm tea brings relief to your throat. That's why we highly suggest, if you see a bee or their hive, don't burn it. Bees are actually the insects that are beneficial to this planet. Number 5. Rest your voice. Sometimes, when we stretch the ability of our voice or throat through work or strain it, rather, this actually causes your sore throat. Now, the best free solution to this problem is by zipping your mouth and resting it. Well, give your throat a day to rest. It needs it. Remember, if we take care of our bodies, it also gives us its best performance. Number 4. Suck on some lozenges. Take this advice from someone who also professionally sings like me. I'll give you a sample. You obviously know that I'm kidding, right? But every singer knows that lozenges do give a quick and temporary relief with its medicine. When you suck on a lozenge, it gives off that cold, numbing feeling on your throat that helps you speak comfortably. However, most singers or speakers also do know that once the effects of lozenges subside, there will be adverse effects to it. And if you speak more after its effects subsides, this can worsen your sore throat symptoms. Always remember, a lozenge is still somewhat like a sweet menthol candy. Although it will be good for you, it still contains some sugar in it, so it's highly advised not to become dependent on it. Number 3. Taking a nasal decongestant helps. Sometimes, our sore throat gets more irritated with the excess mucus from your nose that goes into your throat. Although mucus normally is a first-hand antibacterial protection, much like the ozone is to Earth, once there's a change in color and thickness, it indicates your current health. So if your nose is clogged, use some nasal spray or drops to open your airways. Nasal decongestants clear congestion and dry mucus. This can reduce post-nasal drip and also improve your mood. However, you must limit usage to 2 days. Number 2. Rub some VAPORUB on your neck. Before someone assumes that what we are trying to say is drink the VAPORUB such as Vicks, this is not the case. Rubbing some VAPORUB on your neck provides some temporary relief. You can stop speaking for a while to rest your voice or sleep to let it soothe the irritation from the outside. And now, of course, on number 1 is the most go-to solution around the world. Gargle salt water. We're not saying you should take a cup and gather some seawater, although that works only if your country's waters are not polluted. Salt water often helps remove the mucus in our system by softening it. It helps relieve swelling, inflammation, and irritation in a sore throat. It may also pull diseases or irritants to your throat surface where your body can handle them. To do this, gargle 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon of salt in 8 ounces of warm water every hour or 2. One helpful tip we can give is to tip your head while gargling. Make sure you can feel it reach your throat. And yes, in case you ask, you'll be choking on the salt water a little. Once you start to choke a little, spit the water on your sink. Repeat this twice or thrice, and this will bring you instant, immediate remedy. Caution: if you are experiencing chronic pharyngitis or a sore throat that comes back after a few days, then we highly advise that you seek a medical professional to give you the proper prescription. Some of them might require you to take some antibiotics. However, there are worst-case scenarios that you definitely can't DIY. Now that wraps up our video. A sore throat can be irritating and can slow us down since it sometimes comes with a fever. By the way, do you know of some other sore throat solutions that we've missed out that people might want to know about? Share it with us in the comment section to help everybody. Always remember, sharing is caring. The information contained in this video is not intended to be a substitute for professional advice, so make sure to ask your doctor if you have any concerns about a medical condition. If you learned something from the video, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the bell notification. And if you want to watch more of this quality content, check out the video on the lower left corner and the playlist on the lower right corner. Thanks for watching.